You have so much wisdom to share with the world, and I challenge you to commit 3 months to YouTube, even if you have 0 subscribers and 0 views. Today I will give you the exact 3-month plan I wish somebody had given to me when I first started out with YouTube. If you wait to feel motivated or until you know everything, then 3 months will pass and nothing will change. So committing to 3 months is the fastest way to growth and freedom. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear 3-month roadmap for YouTube that builds your skills, confidence, and potential income. When I first started out as a YouTuber, I felt so awkward. Like, why would people listen to me? And I've noticed this is how the majority of our clients feel as well. And it doesn't help that when you start out, you will hear the crickets in the beginning and you'll just feel like, why am I doing this? But when I committed fully, following a consistent plan that I set out for myself and focused on service rather than views, my channel eventually became a source of income. And I've now been a full-time YouTuber for over 5 years. I haven't had a job since I can remember. YouTube can literally replace your job. And it is so much fun because you get to share your passion with the world. The biggest obstacle that I see people do is that most people quit before 3 months, that 3-month mark, because they expect instant results. But the real power is in consistent action. And that leads us to step number 1, creating a YouTube schedule. When I started out with YouTube, it felt so overwhelming. So when I created a schedule for posting, it turned my chaos into structure and measurable progress. Consistency is proven to build skill, confidence, and audience trust, and the algorithm rewards it too. So map out the content that you will film in the next 12 weeks. And pick a schedule you can actually stick to. So minimum 1 video per week. So you want to include the title, thumbnail, some bullet points, and when they should all be scheduled. And I'm curious what your YouTube niche is. Let me know in the comments. Step 2 is to monetize with focus. So obviously you will make money from ads, from Google AdSense, but there are also so many income streams you can have as a content creator, and it's easy to get FOMO and just create so many different products and affiliate links and then just fill up your description with lots and lots of links. And I was really guilty of this myself. I used to have like 10 different products and lots of affiliate links. But first of all, it will confuse your viewers, because they will not know which product to pick. So they might end up just not buying a product from you in the first place. And secondly, it becomes a lot of work. So I have narrowed down my work week to just 4 hours per week. But back when I had loads of products, I was burnt out. I was spending so much time tweaking sales pages, updating products, dealing with customer service. So I cut down my product suite to just 1 signature product, Nomad Freedom Academy, and then plus 1 affiliate product that I recommend to people. So an affiliate product can be a product that you use that is relevant to your niche. For example, if you're a fitness influencer, it could be your favorite protein powder. So you sign up to their affiliate link, for example, My Protein, and you will get a link. And every time somebody clicks your links and buys the protein powder, you will get a commission. Now, the product that you choose, that you create, should be a high value offer, because that means you only need to sell a few per month to replace your job. There are people with just a few hundred YouTube subscribers who are making like 7-figure income from it because they only need a few products to be sold each month. And that's why it's so important to niche down. And I keep telling my students this over and over in Nomad Freedom Academy, how important it is with branding and finding your niche. Because if you just speak to the masses, to everybody who have with several pain points, several backgrounds, then you will not attract a specific audience who have a specific problem, who are willing to pay more for a solution. Just like with doctors, how generalists don't earn as much as specialists. For example, a brain surgeon. So my action item for you in this step is to pick 1 high value product that you will create and 1 affiliate link that you will promote and put it in your YouTube description. Step number 3 is monthly review to find patterns. So once a month, I actually go through, okay, which video performed the best, which topics, formats, styles performed best, Imagine that you're an archaeologist and you're looking for gold. And if you see, wow, this topic really worked well. I posted 2 videos on this topic and they both did really well. Then just like an archaeologist digging for gold, you want to create more content around that topic. So put it in your calendar. I do it first of the month to do your analysis. And then write down which 1 or 2 videos did the best that month. And if you want one-on-one support, the actual YouTube templates, etc., so that you can guarantee YouTube success, then book a free business clarity call, link in the description. And don't worry, YouTube is not saturated. Don't worry about there's already people in your niche. Your specific audience, the people you have a soul contract with to help, are waiting for you. They're waiting for your unique guidance based on your personal experience, your life journey, your personality, your frequency. So you never really have any competition. So proud of you, Lightworker, for stepping into your purpose. Next up, watch my video on best business models for spiritual people. Link somewhere around this video or in the description. Love you and see you in the next video.